to kiss me.
Hello, Kuya.
Halo Fani,
Let's talk about the one. What have you can learn about table setup standard?
I learned that proper table setup create a pleasant dining atmosphere and help the service run smoothly. It shows respect to the guests.
Okay, number two. What have you understand about setup standard?
I understand that different meals require different setups. For example, a formal dinner has more utensils and glasses than a simple lunch setup. The placement follows certain rules to help the guests.
Okay, number three. What is the most interesting during the presentation?
For me, the most interesting part was learning about the types of napkin folds and how they add elegance to the table setting.
Number four. Give the suggestion for presentation.
I think the presenter could use more visual aids like diagram or slide to explain the step more clearly.
Group 2. 1. What have you learned about table setup formal?
I learned that a formal table setup requires attention to details. Each piece of cutlery and glassware has a specific purpose and position to follow proper etiquette.
Okay, number 2. What have you understood about table setup formal?
I understood that it's not just about placing items neatly, but also about giving a sense of class and tradition. It helps with craft the meal in the correct order.
Okay, number 3. What is the most interesting during the presentation?
I found it interesting when the presenter explained the history behind curtain placements, like why the fork goes on the left and the knife on the right.
Okay, number 4. Give the suggestion for the presentation.
My suggestion is to include a quiz or game at the end to test our understanding. It will make the learning process more fun and memorable.
Okay, group 3. 1. What have you learned about table setup informal?
I've learned that an informal table setup is more relaxed and suitable for everyday meals. It usually includes just the basic like a plate, spoon, fork, and a glass.
Okay, number 2. What have you understand about table setup informal?
I understood that even though it's simple, it should still be neat and practical. The setup should match the kind of food being served.
Okay, number 3. What is the most interesting during the presentation?
The most interesting part for me was when the presenter showed how informal settings can still look elegant and polite even with fewer items.
Number 4. Give the suggestion for the presentation.
I suggest showing example of informal table setup from different countries. It will be interesting to see the cultural difference.
group 5. 1. What have you can learn about tools for table setup?
I learned that la carte means ordering food one by one. From the menu, will buffet table have food arranged for guests to serve themselves.
Okay, number 2. What have you understand? What have you understand? Tools for table setup.
I understand that la carte is more formal and personal since the food is served to you, while buffet is more casual and practical for large groups because you can choose your own food.
Okay, number 3. What is the most interesting during the presentation?
The most interesting part was seeing how to arrange a buffet table so the food looks neat and appealing. Also, learning about portion control in a la carte service.
Number 4. Give the suggestion for the presentation.
I suggest adding a hands-on practice session like role-playing, serving a la carte, and setting up a buffet table so we can try it ourselves and understand the difference better.
Okay, group 6. 1. What have you can learn about a la carte and buffet table?
I have learned that a la carte offers individually priced dishes, while buffet allows guests to serve themselves from a variety of options.
Okay, number 2. What have you understand a la carte and buffet table?
I understood that a la carte is more formal and served by waiters, while buffet is self-service and more casual.
Okay, number 3. What is the most interesting during the presentation?
The most interesting part was the comparison between a la carte and buffet style.
Number 4. Give the suggestion for the presentation.
The group could improve by giving real-life examples or videos to show how each service works.